How to share files through WeTransfer. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So in order to send or share files through WeTransfer, you need to first log into WeTransfer. Once you are logged into your account, you will be able to see this interface which you are seeing now in the screen. In the right upper side, you will be able to see your account. Similarly, in the right hand side, there is option for sending file. So in order to send file, you need to click on this add more file option first, from where you can choose the file that you want to send. You can select whether you want to send files or folders. Here I am selecting files. Once you select the file, all of your files will appear over here. You need to select the file that you want to send and simply go for open option. By doing that, the file will be displayed over here. If you want to add more, then you can go for add more files option over here. There is still 1.9 GB of capacity remaining. If you want to increase the limit, then you can go for increase limit option, but you need to try premium for that. And after doing this, you need to click on this email option and you need to select the email of the person to which you want to send the file. And at last, there is a message option. If you want to type any message, then you can type for that. And after that, you can simply go for transfer option, and it will take a few minutes to transfer the file depending upon your internet connection. If you want to cancel, then you can cancel anytime from over here. So this is how you send files through WeTransfer. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any confusion during this video, then feel free to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.